Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling focus and creating a focused profile. Open Settings, tap Focus, then plus and pick Custom or a preset. Name it, choose a home screen page if you want fewer icons, and add people and apps allowed to notify you. Once done, set a schedule, automation, or location trigger so it turns on automatically. Make sure Share Across Devices is on to keep settings consistent on iPad and Mac, and keep Do Not Disturb options aligned with your goals. Next, refine how focus behaves. You'll pick which lock screen and home screen appear when focus is active and limit which apps can send banners or sounds. Use focus filters to silence specific mail accounts, message threads, calendars, or Safari tab groups. This controls data flow rather than global settings. Then set automations, time ranges, location-based triggers, or opening an app to activate focus without manual steps. Once configured, test each integration to confirm notifications and apps. Follow your intended rules. To finish, practice using focus from Control Center or the lock screen and monitor whether critical alerts still arrive. If something's missing, open Settings right arrow Focus, review people and app allowances, and check focus filters for mail or messages. Those often block expected items. Make sure Share Across Devices isn't causing unintended overlaps. If behavior still conflicts, temporarily disable focus or recreate the profile. That clears hidden rule clashes. Finally, keep a single schedule active when testing to isolate what change fixed the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.